am so over this. I've had these decorations up since the week before Thanksgiving. I have to admit, I am tired of looking at it. And I'm ready to put my living room back to the way it was. So as you can see, I brought some new decorations out. I'm going to do it tomorrow. I'm in the process of packing. I didn't want to bore you with the details or show you all that. You know what packing is like. So here I am breaking it down. And then since I'm taking the tree down, I said I was going to work on the curtains. And I've started. I already shortened that one. And now I have another one that I'm shortening. There it is. Laying here on Saturday, New Year's Eve, just relaxing, watching television. Just taking it all in. It's cold and damp outside. It's been raining and it's going to rain more tonight. Excuse my mess. I'm just coming out here bringing you a little bit of content because I'm going to end the year with just a little short video. Of course, I didn't want to come on camera because I look like shit. But my house is pretty well cleaned. And I'll put everything away. As you can see, all the Christmas decorations are gone. Got my house back. And I got Roy Jr. back in his spot. I have to do something about him because he's getting pretty tall. He's about to touch the ceiling, so I'm going to have to cut him down. And yeah, let's take a little trip into my bedroom because my next project, DIY project, I thought I dropped something. My next DIY project for next year is, excuse my mess, my bed is semi-made up because I was in it and plan to get back in it. I just straightened it up a little bit. However, this wall here is going to be my next project. Excuse the lighting. Those wood strips, okay, as you can see, I started off with 3 here, but I went to Home Depot and I purchased some more, and I have them laying up here out of the way for now until I get ready to do the project. Let's get some more light in here. Alright. My intentions are to, as I was saying, I gotta take this bed down. It's going to be a task, but that's the only way I'm going to be able to do that wall. I'm going to have to remove the bed frame, pull the mattress out. I didn't have any Kleenex. Okay, don't judge me. We're going to have to pull the bed out and make room. So that I can get back there, and I have to patch up this spot right here. And take the lamps down, of course. Then, well, yeah, I'll have to do that because I'm going to have to paint the wall. Yeah, so I'm going to take the bed apart and put those pieces up now. As you can see, I'm serious over here. I'm very serious about this. I've got this thing set up and figured out how to use it so I can do my cuts. Office disaster. Anyway, yeah, so that'll be my new project for next year. The only thing is that I'm trying to decide what color I want to paint this wall once I get the slats up. I almost wished I had went vertical, but no, I kind of like the horizontal look. It's different. I thought about painting, I've considered actually painting this wall black. And see the colors in this artwork, I haven't considered picking one of the colors out of here. Now as you can see in my bedroom over here, I have a pink section of wall there. I have had pink curtains here. And I thought about doing a real subtle light pink here on this wall. And then I thought about picking some of the green or maybe the blue, but you see my bed is gray. So I'm kind of torn as to what color, because whatever color I put up here, I'm going to live with it for a while, because I ain't pulling this bed out no more after that. So yeah, that's the thing, because once I pull this bed down and put this wood up, I'm going to have to paint. So before I even consider doing that, I have got to pick out a color. So that's where I'm at right now, just trying to decide on the color. And I thought about maybe a beige, because this wall was, as you can see, is gray. A while back I painted the wall white. And I said this would be my accent wall. And I mean, I could keep that, but I'm kind of over the gray. I have gray in the kitchen and in my office with the pink. But yeah, I'm just trying to decide that maybe I'll pick one of these colors. I would love to do black, but that's just overdone because I don't get enough light in this room as it is. And that's just too much. Alright. I want to wish you all a happy new year and good things for this next year. Take care.